Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm just getting ready to put the press into its inside box so we can pack it in the outer box and send it to the winner of the writing contest. They won the Galleon Halfwood Press. We're just about ready to announce it. So I'm packing the things in that go with it: the felt blankets, my book, A Printmaker's Tale, the user's manual, and a few tools that go with it. And we're working on making a zine that will contain all of the winners' writings if they go along with it. So we're soliciting support from those winners if they'll all send a photo or something like that. We're still in the process. So, time to test and make sure that this press fits in the box that I made for it. It fits. So now we'll pack it up in the outer box and get ready to ship it to the winner. Thanks for watching. I'm Bill Ritchie.